Viewers, senior Haryana cop and SP Rohtak Narendra Bijarnia has been suspended from his post after being named in the case related to the alleged suicide of IPS officer Puran Kumar. Surinder Bhoria has replaced Bijarnia as the SP of Rohtak, and Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has said that justice would be ensured and no one will be spared regardless of their status. He has also promised a thorough probe. Listen in to this first reaction from Haryana Chief Minister.
दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण ये घटनाक्रम हुआ है, परंतु इतना विश्वास, क्योंकि परिवार ने मेरे को कहा है कि हमें न्याय मिलना चाहिए। हमने कहा है कि इसकी पूरी जांच हम करेंगे और जांच करने के बाद जो भी अगर उनको लगेगा कि ये व्यक्ति दोषी है, उसके खिलाफ जरूर कार्रवाई होगी। वो कोई भी कितना बड़ा व्यक्ति हो, मैं बार बार इस बात को बोलता हूँ। मैं ये बात कहता हूँ कि गरीब व्यक्ति को कोई अगर तंग करेगा तो हम उसको बख्शेंगे नहीं। उसके खिलाफ सख्त हमारी सरकार का निर्णय है कि हम उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे। विपक्ष है, ऐसे मुद्दों के ऊपर लेकर के राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए, और अगर कहीं परिवार को ये लगेगा कि हमारे साथ अन्याय हुआ है, उसको न्याय देने का काम हम करें।
More breaking inputs coming in as far as the story is concerned. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann meets the family of the IPS officer Y. Puran Kumar. He's offered condolences and he's also in fact assuring them support. Let's go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Priyank, we are seeing visuals of Bhagwant Mann, Punjab Chief Minister, meeting the family of the IPS officer who allegedly died by suicide.
Yes, Adina, after this incident, certainly the whole bureaucracy has been shaken up in Haryana, because the allegations are not only on the junior IPS officers but also 3 top-rank IAS officers and 13 of the IPS officers. The opposition has also blamed the state government for not being active on these kind of issues, and this is certainly taken as an atrocity against the member of STC committee. The victim in this particular case had also maintained that he was being targeted and he was not given the right place because he was from the STSC. Now, after Rahul Gandhi's tweet and the tweet from the senior officials of the Congress party, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann from the Aam Aadmi Party, has also gone and met the family members in Chandigarh. The deceased wife herself is a senior IAS rank officer.
All right. Priyank, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.